up, guys? Today's video, I am taking my girlfriend's car and we're just gonna go for a nice chill cruise. She did say that she left it kind of a mess, so I don't know what to expect. I was gonna take my car, but I want a little change of pace, so we're taking her car. Plus it's nice to, every now and again, drive an automatic just because it's nice and chill. Oh my god, I don't fit. It's not too bad. I 110% have to do some adjustment. Alright. Get this out of sport mode. Let's go for a quick, nice little cruise. I keep wanting to go to the shifter to change gears, and I go to reach the clutch, and then I realize there is no clutch. It's pretty funny. The other really weird thing is I'm so used to hearing the exhaust in my car and the drone of the exhaust. So it's really, really weird not hearing the drone of this exhaust. Like, you can hear it a little bit, but it's nice and quiet and it's just nice. That just freaked me out for a sec. I was like, wait, where am I going? I don't usually take these back roads that often, so there's a good chance we're just gonna get lost. But it's okay, we're out for a nice Sunday cruise, and it's a beautiful day. It's starting to get warmer. Absolutely no complaints here. If we get lost, we'll just have to find our way back. I know where we are, I think. Actually, I think I lied to you guys. Oh, this is fun. Actually, I do know where we are. Let me know, guys, if you like to see these kind of videos of just chill, relaxed driving. I love doing them. I love just recording and going for a nice, easy drive and just relaxing. I don't know why, just going with no destination in mind, just mindlessly driving is the most relaxing thing for me. I can't tell you why, it just is. But let me know if you guys like seeing this kind of content, and I'll keep making them. back roads may look really fun on camera, and I guess in some spots they are, but this road has a lot of potholes on it. A lot and lot of potholes. One I know is actually coming up right over here. Once I make this right, you'll see. Unless they fixed it, but there's actually someone that has blown out their tire on this road, and the state just refuses to fix it. So we'll see if it's still here. But yeah, these roads can sometimes not be very fun. Right at the bottom of this hill. I think it's right here. Oh, they fixed it. There's still a little bump, but that's not as bad as it was. It was way worse. Like this part over here is really fun. When these roads are nice and dry, those corners are really fun to take. In the winter time, obviously they suck. But we're kind of towards the end of winter, so no snow is on the ground and the roads are nice and dry. A lot of the salt's also kind of off the roads, so it's perfect time to just go for a drive. Look at that view, man. I'd love to live in like a back road area like this. Quiet, peaceful. Some would even say perfect. Just blows my mind how much different it sounds in here compared to my car. Well guys, I'm probably gonna head back and refuel first, but if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and check out the link in the description below. Ooh, that's a nice charger. Check out the link in the description below. I have merchandise and my peripherals and stuff like that in the description, so if that interests you, make sure you check them out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.